During the 2-day SolidWorks surfacing class, you'll learn the skills you need to model just about anything. The only limitation will be your imagination. Here's how. We start with the fundamentals, understanding surfaces at a deeper level. You'll go beyond basic solid geometry and lay the foundation for advanced surfacing. Then you'll master mixed modeling, combining solids and surfaces to work faster and smarter. From there, we tackle some of the tough stuff, imported or faulty geometry. You'll learn how to fix, rebuild, and even improve it using surfacing tools. Next, we refine, learning techniques for smooth blends and seamless patches to take your designs from good to extraordinary. Finally, you'll explore advanced tools to craft flowing, organic, eye-catching shapes that set your work apart. This course isn't just about learning commands, it's about transforming the way you design. After just 2 days, you'll have the confidence and the tools to bring your boldest ideas to life. Don't just keep up with design demands, get ahead of them. Join us for the SolidWorks Surface Modeling class and unlock what's truly possible.